Cassina Fablé, and I'm here to discuss my kindergarten inclusion classroom observation. Hope you enjoy it. Bye. As stated before, I observed a kindergarten inclusion classroom. The classroom I observed is part of a pilot program in the school and is the first of its kind there. There is a general education teacher, a special education teacher, and a teaching assistant. Of the 17 students, 6 are special education students, all with IEPs for speech impairment. According to Colaruso's Special Education for All Teachers, inclusion describes the process of educating students with disabilities in the general education setting. This classroom has full-time placement of its special education students in the general education setting. Only one child is pulled out for ESL services. Otherwise, all educational instruction happens in the classroom. In this classroom, the special education students are given instruction at their table, separate from the general education students. Typically, the inclusion classroom team would work together collaboratively to prepare lessons and discuss how to differentiate instruction for all of its students. They would also work together to present lessons to the class. Unfortunately, this was not the case for the inclusion classroom that I observed. When interviewing the general education teacher, I was told that the special education teacher chose to use her own lessons instead of working together. The special education teacher also lacked differentiated instruction for her special education students to address their IEP goals. The special education teacher chose not to discuss her feelings of being in the inclusion classroom or discuss how she created plans and differentiated instruction for her students. My observation of the classroom corroborated with the interview from the general education teacher. Unfortunately, the only time I observed differentiated instruction for the special education students was when the special education teacher was absent and the general education teacher taught the entire class. Due to the problems in the classroom, administration had arranged for an AIS specialist to work directly with the special education teacher. This arrangement has been proven unsuccessful. When interviewing the AIS specialist, she commented that every suggestion has not been implemented by the special education teacher. The AIS specialist has suggested implementing more differentiated instruction that would foster the student's language development and processing. The AIS specialist has also suggested simplifying the lesson plans and work activities while introducing more hands-on activities. The special education teacher has failed to reflect on her teaching strategies as well as her collaboration with her team. As quoted from Colaruso's Special Education for All Teachers, when everyone works together simultaneously, students are better understood as individuals within the systems to which they belong, and more effective and individualized approaches to academic problem solving can be determined and consistently implemented. As someone who has worked in an inclusion classroom, I can attest to how having a team that works together can positively affect all student learning for both general education students and special education students. Hello all, it's Cassina Fablé, and I'm here to discuss my... What?
What? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Hello all, I'm Casita Flaboy, and I'm here to discuss